What's up guys, welcome back to Healthy Recipe. Today we're going to be making the famous carrot hot dog that's been all over the web. We're going to give it a try, see how it comes out. So let's get right to work. Alright, so this is what we're going to be doing for ingredients. Pretty basic and simple. Ketchup. I'm using this Chipotle mustard that I really like. This is Sam's Choice. I think we got it at Walmart neighborhood, but this stuff is really nice. I got 1 cup of veg broth. This is my own homemade. You can definitely use your favorite from the store. 1 cup of water. I have 4 carrots, liquid smoke, potato hot dog buns, and I have here smoked paprika and Lawry's garlic salt. You could use regular garlic salt, or you could just leave the garlic out if you don't like it. Just put straight salt. So basically these are all the ingredients we're going to use. First we're going to get the carrots in the right shape and size to look like hot dogs. Alright, so before I actually shape the carrots, I'm going to go ahead and mix our cooking medium, and I'm just going to put it in the pan just to get it heated while we're doing the carrots. Alright, and this is what we're going to use basically to flavor our carrots like a hot dog. I'm going to use a little bit of liquid smoke. This stuff goes a long way, maybe like 1/4 of a teaspoon or 1/2 a teaspoon there. And with the smoked paprika, it should add a nice flavor to these carrots. So we're using a saucepan, and I'm just gonna put it in here, and we're gonna cook the carrots with a lid on, kind of like to steam them. So I'm gonna get this heat going already at 275 Fahrenheit and put the lid on just to get the temperature up. Alright, for the carrots, I'm just gonna cut them first to about the size that I want them. Figure about that size, pretty close to the size of a hot dog. Try to cut them all the same. And then those ends I'll use for making more veg stock. And then they'll end up actually in my compost bin. So everything gets used, zero waste. So here we go. Got 4 carrots there. Gonna go ahead and peel them. Kind of try to make it look uniform, not really like a funnel, by bringing this wider end down a little bit and shaping it just for aesthetics. Kind of looks like a hot dog, right? So there's the first one. Let's try to shape this end. Alright, so here is our 4 carrot hot dogs. They're finely shaped. They look a lot like hot dogs. And over here we have our broth that's nice and hot. I'm gonna give it one quick stir. Smells super smoky and delicious. That paprika combined with that mesquite liquid smoke Smells like a barbecue in here. I'm gonna go ahead and put our carrot dogs in. And we're at 275 degrees. I'm guessing about 20 to 25 minutes. Let's just check to see how tender these get before moving on to putting them on the bun. So I'm gonna put the lid on it, let them go for about 20 minutes, and I'll check the tenderness of the carrots. Alright guys, so it took about 15 minutes of cooking to get these really soft. I don't think they really need any more because they were starting to kind of crack a little bit, and you could almost break them with a spatula. They're so they're pretty tender. So you know, see what works for you, but I think 15 minutes at medium high heat is plenty. They're already done. I'm gonna go ahead and plate them on the bun and give them a taste for you guys. They smell amazing. Like really smell smoky and nice. Like a barbecue in here. I'm gonna put a little bit of ketchup underneath the bun. So I like my hot dogs saucy. And you guys can use, you know, of course, whatever toppings you like. Alright, so there we go. Go ahead and plate. This looks a lot like a real hot dog. It's kind of creepy. Zero animals harmed. Alright, so now I'm going to just put a little bit of ketchup and mustard over the top just to make it look really nice. Just like that. And there it is. I hope you guys liked the video. Remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next one. Alright guys, so here is the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's see how good these carrot hot dogs actually are. Wow. Amazing. Right off the bat, they're definitely softer than a real hot dog. The smoky taste from the liquid smoke comes right through. It went into the carrot. The mustard, super delicious, gives it a little kick, and the sweetness of the ketchup. These are amazing. And I would definitely eat these again.